Good morning, YouTube. It's Madonna Rogers from itsmadonnarogers.com. And today I'm going to share my screen and show you all how I am swing trading the NASDAQ 100 indice. Yesterday, about 3 o'clock, I decided that I would enter into the NASDAQ 100 because my Millionaire SBA 5.0 system advised that, well, not advised, but basically gave me the indication that it is a go as far as getting in a trade and being able to hold it. So the SBA stands for Star Bar Arrow. And as you can see, we have a star here, a bar, and an arrow. This is on the 1 hour time frame. I wanted to test something out because the Nasdaq is so volatile. There are, you know, highs, extreme highs, and extreme lows, and it can fluctuate, very quickly in between those, highs and low points. So this is a demo account. Let me start by saying this. I decided that I want to use a demo account for a number of reasons, but I am testing out this strategy in the demo account. I discovered that I really like trading NASDAQ 100, and I have traded it live, and I've made money trading it live, and I don't think I've ever really lost money in NAS, but I wanted to increase the amount of money that I'm making and be able to hold my trades much longer. As you can see, I'm up 365 pips, give or take, and that's not the highest amount of pips I've ever caught in NAS. So I got in right about when this area here, we call this the heartbeat on this chart. I got in right after this blue arrow on the 1 hour. I took I went down to the 15, and I saw that the 15 also, the 15 at the time, um, the last star bar arrow was green. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the colors of the star bar arrow. So we have a green for a grade A buy. We have a blue for a grade A buy. Then there's also a red for a grade A sell. Yeah, here's one right here, or yeah, red for a grade A cell, and then we have a pink for a grade B cell. So those are the four colors that you need to be made aware of with this trading system. It's meant to be so simple that an 8-year-old can do it. My son can tell you star bar arrow, take the trade. My 5-year-old daughter who's at home with me, she is calling trades for me. She's like star bar arrow. Get in the trade. It's simplistic, and it is a way that the creator, Mr. Tad Smith, he devised this so that a newbie can come into the market and crush it. So this software is available to people who are on members of the Millionaire Mob. That's a team that I'm on within a company called Atlas Trading, or Atlas and Beyond Trading, and this software is well worth it because, as you can see, I'm up 455 points on NAS. Um, so I know people who are making thousands, tens of thousands of dollars consistently on the NASDAQ 100. Um, so right now, I know that I'm going to be one of those people because I'm in my demo account and I'm practicing. I need to know what it feels like to be able to hold trades, to swing trades, to be able to swing NAS 100. For most people, that probably is unheard of because I could have gotten into the NASDAQ 100 and did a quick scalp and caught, as many pips or more on a scalp. But my goal is to hold it from star, bar, arrow. This is on the 15. Let's go back to the 1 hour. My goal is to hold it from star bar arrow to the next star bar arrow, which will be pointing to the downside. So this is a way of, well, I've been reading and been taught that um, the goal in trading is to trade from the higher time frames. So maybe one day I'll be trading NAS on the daily time frame. But for now, um, me being in the stage that I am in, being having started trading about 7 or 8 months and only started trading NAS about a month ago. Trading on the hour time frame is big for me. Before last week and prior, I was trading on the 1 minute and 5 minute, and catching quick pips. 100. Normally, I would get about 100 pips. That was my goal, and get out. So that could be for me about $10 or $20, and then I would enter and exit, enter and exit, enter and exit, and it was fun. It's a real game, but that could lead to sitting at the computer a lot longer than you actually want to. So, trading for me is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to also free me up, right? Not make me tied to my computer. So, trading on the 1 hour time frame, knowing that each candle is 1 hour, to me, that's freedom because I don't have to, constantly be sitting at my computer watching. If I want to, I can log onto my MetaTrader on my phone and check my trades here and there. So let me see if anyone's on my live yet. Good morning to anyone who's going to be. Oh my goodness, I never hit it on. Oh, okay. All right, so YouTube normally takes a couple minutes or seconds to kind of catch up. Okay, okay, cool. Oh, that was scary. Let's get back to my chart. So yeah, we're up 550 pips. Isn't that exciting? Isn't that real exciting? It is to me. So that's mainly one of the indices that I'm going to focus on. If anyone is going to be hopping on, I may take a look at um, some other pairs like GCAD right now. My system gave me an alert for a sell signal on the 1 minute or the 1 hour. 1 hour. So we have a star and an arrow to the downside on the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 minute. Looks like GCAD is selling all across the board from the 1 minute to the 1 hour time frames. The last star bar arrow was a green arrow. Um, would I take this trade? Let's check the 5 minute. What's that on the 5 minute? Looks like the last star bar arrow was a pink one. So it's showing sell. If I wanted to hold this trade for like a swing trade or a day trade, I would definitely go into the sell direction, um, just because of where the heartbeat is on the 1 hour. It just did a cross down a couple hours ago, I want to say, but on a lower time frames of 15. The 15 minute, it's currently selling, but the last star bar arrow was a buy. So I would only take take the trade when it's going. I will trade in the trend, right? So the trend overall is a sell. Could I catch a quick 10 pips? Let me see. Let me see. Normally I go for 10 and get out the market. All right. So since this star bar arrow painted and this indication is when I would get over the red line over the blue line, which is the kitchen sin line over the taken sin line. That comes directly from the Ichimoku cloud. Um, that's 35 pips right there. So what I have made a quick 10 right out the gate. That's 9 pips right there. I would have had to hold it for a while before I got 10, but not too bad. Um, and I'm sure that's under 20 candles, and this is on the 1 minute. So please like, comment, and share this video. I'm not done, but I just want to remind anyone who may hop on and see this replay that I am a new YouTuber and I'm growing my channel by just being consistent and showing up to the market and showing this software because I really do believe in it. Let's go back to the NAS100. Still up, of course. So this green line is where I entered in. Let's go back to the 1 hour. I entered in sometime yesterday, about 3 o'clock or so. And here's the ADR high. It is projected to go, the target high is 12,130. It's the target high. So it is projected to go to the ADR high today. So I got in at a good place because as soon as I got in my entry, I based my, because I am holding my trade for a star bar arrow to the opposite direction on the 1 hour. I base my um, I base my confirmation on the 15 minute, right? I got it on the 15 minute, but I did more or less a sniper entry on the 5 minute. So when I got in, the very next, it went up, the market rose up and then it continued to rise up and then it fluctuated for a while, but I felt comfortable. I felt really, really comfortable in my trade because I know this star bar arrow system works. And I just want to see what it's like to hold the NASDAQ 100 for the long haul, for hours, for days, and see where